Discover the new feature in DJI Modify and get hands-on with the Orthomosaic tool. Create and open a 3D mesh project. On the top toolbar, click the Orthomosaic tool. Following the prompts, right-click and drag the camera view above the ground subject you want to project. Left-click to start rolling a projection cube over the ground subject. The 2D plane first, then the height range. By default, the selection box displays coordinate axes and a rotation gizmo. Hovering over an axis lets you drag along it to move the selection, adjusting the projection area's position. Hover over the rotation gizmo to rotate the selection, adjusting the projection area's angle. Hover over a face of the box to select the projection plane. You can push or pull the selected face to adjust the projection depth or width. In the 2 panel, you can manually adjust the projection cube's length, width, and height. Click OK to apply the parameter changes. Once the model area is selected, go to the right tool panel, select the corresponding projection plane to preview the Orthomosaic, and export it. By default, it exports digital Orthophoto map and depth map data. That covers the basics of Orthomosaic projection. It's incredibly intuitive. Give it a try on your next project.